boys and girls, it's Miss Allen here. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. And this week you've been learning all about weather. One of the most important things to determine our weather for the day is that yellow, bright, sunny thing in the sky called the sun. Miss Allen has a book all about the sun. It says, Watching the Sun. And if you look closely at her picture, you can see a sun there, but where are they? You're right, they're at the beach. And hopefully soon we can get back to going to our beautiful beaches. Watching the sun. It is very early in the morning. The sun is not up yet. When the sun is creeping up, it creeps up and creates these beautiful skies. Sometimes they're purple, sometimes they're pink. You might have seen them when you were waiting for the bus on the way to school. You might have seen them in the car with mom or dad or whoever drove you to school. When Miss Allen would come to school, she would love to see those colors in the sky. That means the sun is rising. Now it is dawn. The sun is rising. When the sun is rising, it is called dawn. Let's all say that together. Dawn. That means the sun is rising. And you can see the picture. The sun is rising up over the mountains over top of this farm. It is dawn on the farm. The sun rises in the sky all morning. The sun gets brighter as the sun rises. So in the morning time, you will see the sun start low by the ground and rise up higher and higher in the sky. This happens in the morning time. The sun gets brighter and brighter and brighter. This picture is the sun rising over the ocean. You can see the cliffs at the edge of the ocean. At noon, the sun is at its highest peak in the sky. At noon is lunchtime. It's the middle of the day. That is when the sun has reached its highest point it's going to go. It's called noontime. Look, we can barely see the sun over top of the clock. The clock is also showing the hand straight up to the number 12. This means noon or 12 o'clock. The sun is bright during the day. People wear sunglasses to keep their eyes safe from the sun. Miss Allen has been wearing sunglasses a lot on her walks. The sun hurts your eyes, so you might wear some sunglasses. I also love that this little boy is eating some ice cream. If he has sunglasses on and he's eating ice cream, what kind of weather do we think it is? Yes, it's sunny, but how does it feel? Warm. You want to eat an ice cream on a cold day. The sun makes the earth warm. It's warmest in the summertime. We can go swimming when it's warm. Wow, they told us a lot of important facts on that page. They told us the sun is the reason that it's warm. Without our sun, it would be cold. And when we don't see the sun out and the clouds cover it, that's when we have a colder day. You remember, Miss Allen sometimes said we have to see if the sun's going to warm us up so we can go outside and play. It also said it's the warmest or the hottest in summer. Summer is another one of our seasons. Remember, Miss Allen was telling you we have fall, winter, spring, summer. We've gone through fall time, like near Halloween. We've gone through winter when it was cold and we couldn't go outside and play a lot. We're in spring right now and we're going to turn into summer. Summer is the hottest time of the year. It's when we like to go swimming a lot, or we like to go to the beach. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you and your family like to go to the beach. I love going to the beach and swimming and making sandcastles and maybe eating an ice cream. The sun is setting. The sun sets in the evening. The sky turns many color before the sun sets. So, after 12 o'clock or noon, the sun starts to go back down. That means the sun is setting. When it's just time for it to disappear, the sun disappears. It is called the evening time. About time when we start eating dinner, or we have to come inside to do our homework, or things like that. It's also another time where that sky turns many different colors. I just love how pretty that picture is of the setting sun. The sky gets dark as the sun goes down. Soon the sky will be dark. You see right here, that's the little bit left of our sun. It's going behind those mountains and dipping down behind those mountains. Look at those pretty purple colors that the sun is casting at sunset. Soon the sky will be completely dark with no sun in it. When there's no sun, what comes up? The moon. And what's also up there besides the moon? Lots of stars. It's night. The sun will rise again tomorrow morning. There's our nighttime picture. You can see lots of different stars. We don't see the moon in this picture, but the moon comes up at nighttime. The end. So, we have learned that our weather really depends on what our sun is deciding to do that day. We have been told that the sun makes the world warm. So, if it's a colder day, the sun is not warming us up. So, I hope you guys have learned a lot about weather this week, and I can't wait to see you guys next week for more learning. I love you and miss you. Bye-bye for now. See you next week, boys and girls.